Today we're going to go over how to save a Word document that you would make on a desktop Word application and save that into your Office 365 OneDrive, which is a cloud-based application. We're also going to talk a little bit about how to log into your OneDrive when you're away from AMS so that you can access your files from anywhere. Let's start with this blank Word document. You've noticed I haven't even named it, so let's call this this is a test. Let's see. And then we're going to come over to the top left-hand side and we're going to click on File. We're going to select Save As. And when you're here at AMS, you'll have quite a few different options. The option we're going to focus on today is the OneDrive for School Administrative Unit 39. When I select that, I also have some recent folders that I've used, but I'm going to click on Browse so that I can actually name my own file and make sure I place it in the right location. When my Save As window comes up, I can change my file name, but I'm going to leave it as This is a Test so that we'll know quickly that we have the right document. I'm going to click on Save. And now I'm not actually saving this on my desktop, on my computer, or on a server that's in our school system. I'm saving this to the cloud. So let's figure out how to log into our cloud and retrieve this document. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come up to your address bar right up here at the top of your web browser. You're going to type in sprise.com, which will get you to our particular login site. Now if you're here at AMS, many times you'll already be logged in and ready to go, because when we log into our computers as ourselves, those computers recognize us. So here you can see that I'm already about to be logged in. I could simply select that, but what happens if your screen looks more like this? What you're going to need to do is focus in on this white area over here, and it's going to ask you for your account information. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. Now, you've got sign in with your work or school account. The formula to sign into your account here at AMS is going to be your first name dot last name at student39.org. And then your password is actually going to be that password that you use on your AMS computers or for I-39, which is a common password for many of our accounts here at AMS. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is simply click Sign In. At home, you might be asked to re-authenticate and use that same information again. If that window shows up, you simply need to enter in the same username and password. Your welcome screen might look like this when you get signed in. Notice it says my name up here in the left-hand corner, and I have a few different options as far as applications I can use based on these tiles right here. If you don't see these tiles, another great way to navigate through Office 365 is going to be the waffle in the top left-hand corner. And when I select that waffle, I again receive those tiles that show me places I can navigate to. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to focus on this puffy little cloud called OneDrive. It's our cloud storage where you can store your files of many different types. We also have Word, Excel, PowerPoint online, which are great ways to use this tool if you can't download the Office programs or if you're on a device such as a Chromebook that doesn't have Microsoft Office. So let's select our OneDrive. You may see your files located in an alphabetical list when you first arrive in your Office 365 OneDrive. And here we are. Our This is a Test document is right at the bottom. Now I'm going to investigate and see if everything that we did is actually here in our cloud location. I'm going to select the title, This is a Test, and when I do, it's actually going to open up a preview of the document I already created. So there we are, that's our text, and if I actually wanted to edit this document, I can click on Edit Document up in the right-hand corner. I have the option of editing it online, in Word Online, or downloading it onto my computer to finish it in Word, which has a little bit more functionality. Let's, for this purpose, edit it online. So here we go. I can use many of the features of Word that you would use every day. I can adjust my font. I can realign my text. I can even change the headings. One of the really great features of Word Online, though, is that when you're done, it will automatically save this most up-to-date copy for you in your OneDrive, which is fantastic when you're on the go and you just want to add a couple things, or if you're at home and you're looking to add to a document that you may have created here at school. And you really should use this fantastic tool that allows you to work seamlessly between home and school on all of your fantastic things that you make here at AMS.